Are you ready to dive into another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team? Well, today you're in for a treat. We're going to be reviewing the SKIP report. This report shows students that were marked absent for at least one period, but present in another during the same day. Let's begin. Once you've had the opportunity to log into Focus, you're going to go to the Attendance menu and select Perfect/Excessive Attendance under Reports. From here, select the SKIP Report tab. You'll notice that the time frame automatically defaults to the school year. You can select the caret and make adjustments as needed. For now, I'm going to keep it at the school year. If you'd like to filter it by a certain period, you can do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and click on third period. And if you'd like to ignore excused absences, all you need to do is click the checkbox right here. And then when you're ready to run your report, select Go. Now I have a list of students based on the criteria I set, and it includes that third period teacher since I made that selection. We can see here that we have one student that it's blank, and that's because that wasn't for a third period teacher. If I want to customize this report further, I can add additional rules. So I can say I want to see students on this report that have skipped more than one period. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click Run Filter. And now I have those results, and it went down. Now I only have 2 students. Anytime you run this report, you'll have information including the student photo, the student name, their student number, current grade level, and then information about skipped periods, the amount of days absent, and skip days. If you ever want to dig deeper, you can go ahead and click on a student name, and it'll take you to their absence summary screen. To go back, go ahead and click the back button. And as easy as that, you've run the SKIP report for your school. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when new content's released.